Hey folks, Josh from Industrial Logic. I want to talk some more about maturity models. Now, we had an interesting discussion about this and a few questions were raised, and I want to get a little deeper into the topic. So, checklists. Are checklists bad because I mentioned them in the context of maturity models? No. I love checklists. I love this book by Atul Gawande. Do you know this book? If you don't, you should read it. Wonderful book called the Checklist Manifesto. I bought lots of copies for people in my office. It's a fantastic book. And in fact, we create checklists at Industrial Logic to help us safely follow important prerequisites for doing good work. Checklists are wonderful. And I mentioned that sometimes within a maturity model, you have these boxes. Here's the beginner level box, or the level 1, whatever you want to call it. Within that, there might be a bunch of check boxes. This is a wholly different thing. Because now you've got this model. Someone has said, or some people have said, that's what maturity is. If you follow this model, you start there. Well, guess what? Just the other day, there was a team, and they were told, the maturity model says you have to stabilize your velocity. Your velocity, agile velocity, has to be stable. And from there, you'll eventually get to the other levels. That's not their biggest problem. They got lots of other problems that are far more important that are only addressed in the third level of that maturity model. It's not context specific. It's leading them down a path that doesn't help. This is my big problem with a lot of maturity models. They're not context specific. They don't look at a specific team or department or company's real issues and choose wisely what to go after. So be really careful of using maturity models to try to work with a broad portfolio of efforts. Lots of different efforts have different needs. It's not one size fits all.